Y'all small tuna fish and one big catch.
This is a Shark Tank.
Here we go again.
2004 phenomenal hit.
Let's drop it on them like this.
To be if you plan on being shy. Let me tell you, it's always cool. And of us don't mind sometimes if you're acting like a fool. Working at the car wash. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. At the car wash, yeah. At the car wash. I'll say, now come on and work it with me now, yeah. At the car wash, yeah.
Sharks in the water make their jaws lock. When I swim through the grim, I'm too hot. Y'all can make your bets, y'all small tuna fish, I'm one big catch.
Sharks layer.
Bow down, player, cause this right here will be your worst nightmare. Work that, pop back, hurt that, turn this up and bang it all up on your surface. 9 to 5, I gotta keep that fat stack coming. No matter how big the shark is, the bite keep running. Washing cars ain't no place to be a superstar, man. That's why I work and work.
Working at the car